Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see, edit or change contact information like email address or phone number on Instagram. But the first thing you do is open up your Instagram app. The next thing you do, tap on the U icon at the bottom. This is your profile icon at the bottom. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner, top right corner actually, to open up the settings and activity menu. Then tap on account center. Then next thing you're going to do, tap on personal details under account setting. So this is where you see your account information. If you tap on the account information, to show it clearly, your email address and the phone number you used. Next thing you do, if you want to change it, just tap on with the email address you want to change, tap on the email address and tap on delete email address. And then you go back and tap on add new contacts and tap on add email address. So you put in a new email address. Once you throw with that, you go back. Now I want to also change or edit our mobile number. So you tap on the number. You can tap on confirm number or delete number. If you want delete number, just tap on delete number. Once you go back and tap on add new contact, tap on add mobile number. Then you put in a new mobile number and follow the prompt.